Okay, it is 2:58. Market's fixing to close. I traded another Bill Knox account up 14.95. Just opened this one today, so hopefully we'll get three funded Bill Knox accounts going as far as PAs. Really good moves today. Waited till that 1 hour range, which is here highlighted. This was a fast drop move. This candle here and this candle here, and we went right to the 200. There was a fair value gap down at this level, and we were overextended on the Keltner channel. And of course, let's see here. We always trade the price action. If I zoom this out, I started scalping these from this low going up. And I took some moves at the open. Scalps going up. But you can see the price action, lower highs, higher highs. You know, when you're at key levels on support, or when the market usually happens like that, or it goes on the upside, you would just take this extreme low, then you would just take the higher lows, lower lows, and going up. So that's usually how, as soon as you find out the bias, it gets to the levels that you want to trade at. For me, I'm pretty much aggressive on my scalping end. So as you can see, I took more trades here, and then we went up the market. I scalped it down from the swing high red, but other than that, took some trades here. Majority of trades here going back into the open. And usually this is what will happen. It'll go back to the 50%. And today we retrace back. This was actually a good area to scalp as well, because you're outside of the range. And we actually got back into the range, and we went and tapped the top of this range. You could see how good these levels are. And right at the bottom of this range, this 1 hour IBR range, initial balance range, is the pivot point. And you can see at the top of the range is the high of the day, which we went and just tapped it. So these levels are actually pretty great. As you can see, I still have this level marked up. This is from the range of yesterday when we had that big move. This was the top of the range. We never went out and cleared that out, so we may be able to go and clear that out next week. Probably make a new high, because we were close to 20,200. Actually, we tapped 20,200. So that's just, using these levels right here, the IBR range, you could get really, really good setups on it. Like this 30-minute chart, look at that. The hardest thing to do is just wait for the levels to get broken. Like this came right to the 200. You can see the Keltner channel was overextended. And then you just wait for the price action to happen, as you see it on your charts here. Okay. As you can see, we went from a swing low to a swing high, and then to a swing high extreme red. So, but the price action on that was actually pretty good. So that's a good range. Went to the top, cleared the bottom range, went right all the way back to the top of the range. And 14.95 on this trading day. I'm going to try to pass this one next week, probably Monday or Tuesday, depending what type of setups we get. But that is the trade for today and for the week. Trading the open range, 1 hour, just waiting for setups, the high probability setups, and of course, scalping in and just going with the price action. Other than that, it was a good week.